Welcome to another one of our videos. I'm AJ from Savory Thoughts, and today we are going to prepare a lobster in the air fryer and in no time. So fellas, it is the perfect meal for a date night. Cooking lobster does not have to be complicated, but you can make it look like you spent all day making it. So to get started, let's start by finely chopping our herbs. While chopping your herbs, melt your butter in the microwave and add all of your herbs into the butter. Add the remaining ingredients into the butter mixture and stir it well, and just set it aside. Don't forget your lemon juice. The acidity goes extremely well with all type of shellfish, lobster included. Olive oil not only helps during the cooking process, but it also helps coat the ingredients to the lobster. Make sure to rinse the lobster before handling it. If you are able to bend the lobster, then it is fully thawed out. If it is a frozen lobster, make sure to run it under cold water. Only cold water to allow it to thaw out, or just leave it overnight in the refrigerator to completely thaw out. The reason you do not run it under hot water to thaw it out is because it will make it feel like rubber. Using a kitchen shear, go ahead and cut a straight line down the back of the shell. Open it up slowly so you don't break it, and once open, you can remove the meat from the actual membrane. Do not detach the lobster from the shell. Leave it connected just from the tail end and pull the meat out so that way you can cook the lobster on top of the shell, similar to a restaurant style. Set aside a small amount of the buttery mixture, so you will save that for dipping. And now go ahead and submerge the lobster fully into the buttery mixture, so let it coat really well, even the shell. Once fully coated, go ahead and place it in the air fryer and get your lobster cooking. Within 7 to 10 minutes, you'll be done. A rule of thumb, when your lobster is done, the shell will change color into completely red. So by now, you guys know the best part of cooking is eating. You guys all know I love to eat. So, tasting time. That was perfect. Flavor is intense. Food is extremely enjoyable. This will pair well with some good greens. Well, that's it, folks. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, leave us a comment. Please don't forget to try it. Let us know how you like it. And thanks again.